get Let's get started. Let me switch that. Pop. Pop. There we go. Very nice. Time to update the demo. If I can stop hiccuping. I feel that looks familiar. This feels like a Mario. But at the same time, it doesn't feel like a Mario. God, there's so many Mario games. Not a Mario. What the fuck is that? Spot? What? I have no idea. Oh, it's a Sonic. Jeepers. Okay, is there like a Sonic Wii or a Sonic DS or something? No, of course not. Of course not. I don't know. It's a Sonic game. That's as much as I've got. Sonic Colors. Of course. Of course. How could I be so foolish? What was I going to do? That's wrong. That's right. So tonight, I need to get the demo, which is the branch I'm in at the moment, right? Yes. I need to get the demo updated to fix the sprint issue and also have the logging added. Maybe we'll be able to replicate the crash. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll find out. What up, Ving? The logging added? Lumberjack time. You know it. Lumberjacking being added to a bobblehead shop simulator. Yep. What's that need? Needs to be like held, right? So it's characters held container. Cool. Okay, so this is updated here. So now have get held. I feel like player still has. No. Held object. Is no. Jeez, that was a big shiver. You could always make it to arcade console and put it in as a mini game. Making a game inside the game. Nah, we're doing this artwork, getting things updated, and then the game is done. Is there anywhere that's... say. Because held object gets the first. Where is it? Jeez, I didn't know Monday nights could be so quiet. It is pissing down outside at the moment. Really need to invest in a place that has proper heating and proper cooling. Let's see. Okay. Forget about all that for the time being. So nothing in here is referencing hold array. Get held is what's not being referenced. He's blue? I am. I am. Very clearly blue. This. No. God damn it. This here, I can instead do get held. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the stuff we need to find and replace. Is the pop back. Hold array erase self. Okay, yep, that's fair. I'll accept that. Yep, that's fair. Erase self, clear, erase self. Go. Get held. I watched the weirdest movie before too. It was Apartment 1BR. It was weird. It was weird. Interesting, but weird. What up, Loki? How you doing? Should work. I think that's everything we need to do. I think that's it. 1 hour into the workday, what's up to right now? Updating the demo to have our, to fix our running situation. Because this here switches the state. So for instance here, ow, Medusa, is that a dancing Colton? That's a dancing Colton. I like it. I like it. Not a coding day, just a coding evening. Because the artwork that we were going to spend to, the artwork that we were going to do for the entire day actually only took us 4 hours. So I don't have it here because we're in a different branch. But yeah, we finished that in 4 hours this morning. So now I'm taking the extra time to fix some stuff in the demo and get a new demo builder. Yeah. I have no idea where I got this Colton from, but I've been embracing it while I have it. It's Colton Crawford. Colton Crawford. Talented musician, also talented game dev. He is part of the Dead South. Dead South. Colton Crawford, banjo. Yeah. Yeah. They do In Hell I'll Be in Good Company. Yeah. Very, very popular song. So I hear it next time. That's fair. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. What was I doing? What was I doing? What was I doing? In here. I can do here. There we go. Get held. So to get held here, what that's going to do, it's going to pop the back. Like it's going to empty the array basically and switch them into this. Beautiful. 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 I'm so cold. What up, Aya? I was gone a few months and grew a body. Yep, I did. It's a very nice body, you know? It allows me to like move around, interact. Yeah. So Brew hands too. I've always had hands, thank you very much. I have always had hands. How's life been? It's been good. It's been good. We're currently just doing artwork for our game, getting it close to release. So yeah, I want to get it released hopefully before the end of this month. We do have a demo on Steam. We do have our demo on Steam. It's actually in the pinned message. You can go wishlist it. Yeah. Yeah. I need to put up a new announcement. It's like, yeah. Current state. Like, release incoming. Duke, how are we? Bobble, not bubble, not bubble. Bobble with an O. Ooh. Wow. The horrible thing about it being winter and it always raining is that I can't go outside and get some sun. Came back only the other day for game dev, or for game day. Was busy with my job last couple months. What? How dare you have a job in this economy? How? How do you even have a job? I thought AI was going to take all of our jobs in 6 months, 4 years ago. Alright, cleaned the kitchen, done washing, got groceries. So much time. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. But we make those. But they should be making themselves by now. Drop. So dropping the delivery box. That's just going to be get held. No, I don't need that. Yeah. This one here. Hold Bobble. Yes. That's the only place that needs to remain. Yeah. This one, card pack. This is completing. Handle card reveals. So this is revealing all of them. Q3 that. Go. I think. Yep. Orchrist getting first. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. If we do make them, or if we don't make them, who will take over other jobs? Well, that's because, like, they will take over. So the AI will take over the other jobs as well as the jobs of taking the other jobs. You know? You get it. AI sure is taking its sweet time. I know, it's almost like AI is more lazy than people. Working on a chess game at the moment to renew my game dev skills. Nice, nice. Please someone get second. You want to be third? No, I want to be late. No one will have jobs except AI and the billionaires and quadrillionaires. I mean, that's fine. See, I'm fine with that because when the AIs inevitably start breaking and are unable to repair themselves properly and thus break further, and there's no one around that's willing to help the billionaires and quadrillionaires repair those things, all of a sudden those billionaires and quadrillionaires have to do stuff, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know how to do it. See, that's the problem. It's like a AI. AI is like an Ouroboros. At this point, that's all it is. You just gotta wait for it to finish devouring itself, and we'll be good. And then money will have no value, and no one will roam will happen again. They hope an AI will figure out how to repair AI, but I'm skeptical. AI can't even figure out how to create efficient code. It's like, hey, this code is taking too long. So it's like, oh, sure, if we refactor the code to be like this, it's like, that it still runs the same, it's like still takes the same amount of time to run. Because this here is not where the actual problem is. We need you, AI, to find where the problem is. We're just saying that when this executes, it takes forever. Why is it taking it forever? And fix it. Don't just rework this block of code. That will. Chess! Alright. Am I playing you, or am I playing random? Are people allergic to second? I think so. I think so. Try my chess? Sure thing. What's the link? Imagine AI taking over military systems and just blowing itself up in confusion. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. Crashed. Your chest crashed. That's not good. That's no good sign. Basically retarded Skynet. Try the chess I'm making. I mean, yeah, I know. Like, what's the link? What's the link to the chess you're making? What is it? What is it? itch.io. Well, that's a website, but it's not a link to your chess. Like, what's... Yeah, you're allowed to post a link. Go for it. I let links get posted. Alright. Square. Sure. What the... This isn't chess. Others don't run well in browser. Oh. Okay. Alright. Gold drafting. A flyer. Aquatic. So that's water. That would require flying to get over. Okay, monkey land. So that'll be like the trees there. Okay, okay, okay. One space diagonally, forward up to 2 spaces. Moves 1 space in all 8 directions. Slides diagonally up to 1 space. Okay. One space orthogonally. Okay. I will gift a sub to whoever claims second right now. What up, Wix? Try again mode. You always best my game, so let's see. They all evolve too. Ah. I'm an Aussie, so let's go a Spiderling. Okay. Now what do I do? Ah, right, backline is where I gotta place it. Okay. Let's pop it there. Okay. Okay. So what I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 7, so I can go another 5. Actually, we'll go a 4 and a 3 instead of 5 and a 2. A worm. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's gold. Okay. It's gold turn. Okay. Move you there. Mm-hmm. Bam. Select evolution. Rooster. Falcon. Diagonally up to 5. Orthogonally diagonally up to 4. Leaps night style. Let's go Falcon. How the hell did you get there? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Aha. Nah. The hell is the hell? This is very confusing. It's raining. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Jesus Christ. Go away. Stop it. Who wins by capturing the king? Alright, I don't know what happened. I was... Do we win? I don't think so. I don't think so. That was very odd. That's not what I expected when I played chess. That felt like an RPG more than anything. Yeah. I make weird games. This is true. This is true. There's nothing wrong with a weird game. Just, I wasn't expecting that. That's all. What was I doing? That's right. Yep. I was checking this. Yep. Cool. Cool story. Oh, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. The visuals need a clarity pass. Yeah. The visuals are a little bit odd. Yeah. But I mean, I get it is like an in development thing, so I'm assuming all that's like just temporary. Yeah. Bubbles come alive? Correct. Correct. The bobbleheads do come alive. I need to test this. Okay. Okay, there we go. Cool. Is holding. Invalid access property or key is holding in a base object of held container. Player 60. Player 60. You were planning that feature last time I was here. Yep. That feature has been done for quite a bit. I'm very happy with it. Where's line 60? Actually. Okay. That doesn't get emitted from anywhere. I was here in November. Wow. 7 months. Whoa. That takes me back. After that, I've been working hard. Working so hard, I had to drop game dev for a while. Fair. So, we can run. Okay. Cool. You probably haven't seen the updated UI yet then, are you? What up, Celtic? How you doing? The Celtic Tiger. I like it. Ooh, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Let's see here. Alright. Beautiful. That's all looking good. I'm doing well, thank you, Celtic. Just testing out an update to the demo. Excellent. Okay, then we go into here. Okay. Cool. It seems like it's all working. That seems like it's all working. I guess the next thing to do will be in here. Add some more logging information. Clearing player held array. Getting held item from player held container. We're going to start learning to code at some stage. I mean, whenever you want to. Don't force yourself to do it, because if you force yourself to do it, you won't have fun with it. You've got to have fun with it. Let's see, so player can hold item. Player can hold item. I'm so goddamn cold. Object, item data, line item. Item data, line item, so we log that information out. Hold back set to that. What's the story behind this robot suit? So this is my test mech. This is the test mech. I'm going to have multiple bodies that chat can change me into. This is basically to test the motion capture side of things. Make sure that it's all working properly. The next thing I need to do is adjust the camera in the game, like in the overlay, to properly match me, like my physical real world camera. So that like my arm matches exactly, and that my head matches exactly, and stuff like that. And then the step after that is to get actual movement implemented, so that if I step to the side, the body actually comes with me. Yeah. That's the... Yeah. Although that'll be very interesting because... Yeah. That's going to be very, very interesting. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I don't know how I'm going to do that. This is new territory. This is new territory. I don't know anyone that's trying to do this. So I have to try and figure out and come up with it as I go. So that's just me being cold. Damn. It feels like 7 degrees. It feels like 7 degrees. Rain up until... Jesus Christ. There. Rain up until Saturday at 7 a.m. According to the Bureau of Meteorology, it's not going to stop raining for 5 days. It's just going to be raining. If there's a way to pair a bone to your head movement and use as control for the body. Although I say the hardest part would be finding a way to control a single bone with real head movement. So I have trackers on. So yeah, the trackers here, you can see here. If I set up a head tracker and 2 feet trackers, which I've got them available, then what I can do is where are we? There's this mocap mode. And mocap mode allows the skeleton to roughly track its own position without a headset or other trackers. Note that this requires feet and head trackers to work and is still experimental. So this has that. This has that. But, yeah. It's just a matter of me having the time to actually do that. I don't really have time at the moment. I want to get this game finished and released. Optimizations and bug fixes done after that. And then make some more bobbleheads to put in the game over time. And after a couple of weeks of doing like bug fixes and whatnot, we move on to our next game. It's going to be real fun. I'm really looking forward to the next game. Really looking forward to it. Let's see. So in here, do focus on code? Sure thing. Sure thing. So if we do all this, so if it's a rigid body, what would get passed into here? Bobble. Bobble's a character body 3D. Yep. Yep. I see. Okay. Object name. So that'll always tell us the thing that they are holding. Whether it's a bobble, whether it's whatnot. You get it. I don't need to explain it to all of you smarty pants. What's this called? Ah, we don't know. Oh my god. Where's this called from? I had no idea. I actually figured out the other day why the body, like why I feel tired when it's cold. Apparently, your body like naturally prefers slightly colder temperatures for sleeping. I think that's what I heard. I don't know, I'll look it up later. Ending day. I have to be almost freezing when I sleep. No. When I go to bed, I am rugged up like nobody's business. Like in winter, I sleep with like 3 or 4 layers on. Like 2 blankets. I'm cocooned. It's gonna be warm and toasty. I hate the cold. Okay. Let's go dialogue. Dial cancelled. We go. Starting employee dialogue with sign work. go. Alright. Ad break. After the ads, I'll finish off the focus on code. That is my version of hell. What? Heat. Heat is your version of hell. I mean, isn't that everyone's version of hell, in a way? Doesn't everyone think of hell as like fire and brimstone? I would sleep real well in hell. But you don't hear that too often. Mm-hmm. Alright. Then I move you back there now. Still defended. Let's get rid of you. Mm-hmm. Do that. There is no escape. No escaping my peons. What a fool. I'll do that. I knew what their plan was. Get their queen to one of them. Let's see, now I just do this. Let's see. Now push this. I'm gonna go here. They didn't see it. They missed it. They ruined it. They screwed it up. They blundered. Come on. Don't just leave and not resign. Like, make your move. They need to make a move. There we go. Much better. I like it. Good shit. Alright. We have 3 more minutes of focus on work. Customer dialogue cancelled. Employee dialogue cancelled. Actually, starting customer dialogue of type perfect. I've noticed the Twitch UI breaking a lot. I need to log out and log back in. Okay. Do that. There you go. See. Processing. Customer dialogue. Acceptance. I need to do that actually. Accept customer sale? I think it's customer sale. I think that's the best terminology for it. Accept customer trade. Accept customer repair. Accept customer purchase. format, price string, offer amount. Refusing customer offer. Okay, that should be enough logging for that. Because this doesn't need to be like comprehensive or in-depth logging. It just needs to be enough for us to know when something is done by the player, so that if they have an issue, if something happens that causes the game to crash, I can get this log off them and go, all right, this is what you were doing, this is what the NPCs were doing. At the point of the crash, this was the last thing that happened. Here, this is what Godot log is saying. All right, let's replicate this. Let's fix it. There's one thing I've learned. You can't rely on the player to give you accurate information about what they've done in the game. You just can't. It's not gonna happen. It's their own personal bias that gets in the way. Like, they will give you the information that they feel is relevant. It's not necessarily relevant, though. So... No, we won't do that there. Set up default furniture. Furniture removed. Request rebake. Nav mesh rebake requested. as free workbench. Get reachable counters. Can NPC queue? I don't need to worry about any of this stuff. Spawning conscious bobble. Browning new bobblehead. And then collecting. Actually, I need to make sure I get this locked in. Don't need to worry about switching meshes or enabling bobble or even disable bobble. Don't need to worry about any of the pickup. Break bobble, repair bobble, docks, stage. I don't need to worry about any of that. I guess I could do that name. Bobblehead repaired. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Where's that to? Card pack. We need open. Opening card pack. Mike, how we doing? Actually, I don't think anyone's claimed second yet. Oh no, they have. Never mind. Never mind. Who was it? Ah, you got second. That's right. Then Dex was third and Gamer was late. What are spies? Careful not. Why are spies? Careful not to fart in bed. Because they might blow their cover. What about spies that... What about spies that get married as a part of their cover? Aren't they always blowing their cover? That's a good one. That is a good one. Okay. That'll be fine for that. We also need mystery box. Grandma always used to say, sometimes you have to hug the people you don't like. How else will you know how deep to dig the hole? Ah, yeah. Grandma hadn't heard about cremation. Okay. Next, delivery box. No, I don't need to worry about that. Because inside here, we're already saying, yeah, if we're getting the held item, if we're holding the held item. We're not saying if we're dropping it though. I don't need to worry about that because inside here, when we do this log, it'll do get held item from player held container. And we go that. So yeah, what will happen here is it will also include the source and the line number. But it's not printing the entire stack. Yep, I gotcha. That's all right. Dropping delivery box. Animation finished, animation toggle hold. Opening furniture box. B. Opening, if not is open, else closing. Cool. Be me eating chicken. My dog who was just asleep seconds ago. Do you have food? I'm pretty sure I smell food. Food? Food for me? Me food? That's my food, right? You were getting food ready for me? Yeah? Yeah? Is that right? Ooh, fried chicken. My favorite. Yeah, so we've already got that set up. Ow. Knee goes kapop, pop, 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 pop. Crashing item that. Confirming item trashing. Then player burning empty box. Employee burning empty box. Ah, no. Trigger interact. Player burning item. Alright. Delivery van. Resetting ban. Adding order to delivery ban queue. Delivery van throwing order. Hydrate. Ooh. Ooh. I need to get water. I will need to get water. Give me like 20 seconds. I'm just gonna go grab some water. Alright, I'm back. Told you it wouldn't take long. Wouldn't take long at all. Ah, thank you for the water, Wix. Much appreciated. I was looking at when the full release of Path of Exile 2 is supposed to be happening. And apparently the full release is planned for some time this year. Like later this year. I'm not sure about that though. Not sure about that. Seems a bit of a stretch. I just hope they're not doing events at the moment. Like limited time stuff that you can only get as part of the early access thing. Rattling windows. let's think. What else? Where can we add? Bobblehead repairing state. Hit idle state. Bobblehead walking state. Bobblehead held state. That's what we need. Workbench. Place broken bobble. Placing broken bobble. Bobble. Whatever. Starting next repair. Add that name. Add repairing bobble. Okay. Bobble item name. Repair finished. Finished repairing. Repairer. Item data name. Player starting bobblehead repair. Player completed repair at percentage quality. Enums repair. Please get quality. There we are. There we are. Lovely. Do I want a minigame? I don't think I do want a minigame in. I don't think I want a minigame for repairing the bobbleheads. This is what else we need. Player stopped repairing. That's that set up. Bobble cage. I wonder. Held object is null, or held object is not bobble. Or the held object is not conscious. Putting bobblehead in bobble cage. Don't need to worry about snapping or adjusting placement. Player taking bobblehead cage. Okay. Display double placing outline. Shelf. Shelf. Broken bobble box. Being taken from shelf. No valid stock to take from shelf. Taking item from shelf. Actually, item data name. Customer if is NPC else player. Actually, computer go item data name. All right. So that will let me know if it's a player or an NPC trying to do it. So if there's a crash, we can catch that. employee data, employee name is placing shelf. No, not necessarily. Not necessarily. Interactable. Is it is. The bobblehead is a character body 3D. Yes. Yes, the bobblehead is a character body 3D. Do that. Go stocking item data, name. Okay. Every day I look in the mirror and do finger guns just to remind myself how much of a weapon I really am. You're not allowed to do that. We've had this conversation before. You have to have a license, okay? If you want to carry around those finger guns, you've got to have a license. Evaluate. I don't need to do any of that. Don't give our government ideas. Making absolute weapons carry licenses for existing is a bit too close to eugenics. What? Absolute weapons carry licenses. What do you mean by that? And how does that tie into eugenics? There's nowhere else in here. There is actually right here. Slang term absolute weapon is highly contextual and ranges from a massive compliment to an insult. Depending on regional slang, negative UK and Scotland. Used as an insult to describe someone who is exceptionally stupid, behaving idiotically, or is generally an unpleasant person. I assumed it was always negative. Oh, making absolute weapons carry what? Right. Right. So you're saying, like, making people who are exceptionally stupid carry licenses for existing. Right. Right. I had no idea what you were talking about by absolute weapons. I didn't realize that was a slang term. Jeez. I am the Stoopy Stoops. Didn't I listen to him? He's a pure weapon. Yep. I did not get that. I did not pick up on that. At all. At all. Can't know everything. Not knowing some niche piece of information doesn't make one stupid. It does when you're the almighty, all-knowing, supposedly, best head on Twitch. Alright? Yeah. I can't be all-knowing if there's something I don't know. Yeah. Best head on Twitch. Less of that. Lies. Lies and slander. It'd be a chilly night. I like a good back crack. Having the back go ka-snap snap. Real good. Real good. So now that we've got the logging there. Let's see. Payments. Maybe. That's not cash. That's employee completing purchase cash. Cash, not case. And this should be a %s. Employee data, employee name. There we go. Lovely. Lovely. So that's all that taken care of. That ad's coming in. Let's see, let's do guess the .game. Are you going to be able to guess this game, chat? Can you guess the game from that? Then you got some sort of ear down here, maybe. Some green clouds. This feels like it's going back to like the SNES era. Like, I don't know. It is Mario. Franchise, Wario. Okay, Wario World. Wario Land. God damn. What is this game, chat? I know it's a Wario game. Wario, Master of Disguise. I don't know. How is that not Wario, Master of Disguise? Doesn't look like Wario's Woods. Could be. I don't know. Go, let's see. Super Mario Land 3, Wario Land. I call BS on that. Absolute BS. Oof. What is this? Is this Dawn of War 40k? Is it not? I could have sworn this was like a Dawn of War or something. It was there in the list, was it? Dark Tide. No, it's not there. Dawn of War is not there. It's not Dawn of War anyway. What is this going to be? Surviving Mars. No. Is this Dune? No. Evac time. Evac time. It's an RTS with an evac time. Is this Halo RTS or ODST or like what was it? Halo Wars? Halo Wars. There we go. Look at that. Good old Halo Wars. How did you not get that, chat? How? Fail. Absolute failure. So this is payment. That is fine. Let's go into employee. Go. Employee assigned work, blah. Keys get that. Okay, all of that's good. Now, let's go into NPC. Passing repair order back to shop settings. There we do. Dialogue. exit store. What I'm gonna do is move to targets. NPC despawning. Setting NPC targets to exit points. NPC scared. Let's do this take item check as well. We go. No, not that. Shelf is null. Go. No shelf for NPC to take items from. Okay. NPC take items finished. Our browse loop. Yo. NPC exit store. NPC leaving purchase queue. Pause. NPC queuing to purchase. Pause. Queue num. Alright, I like it. NPC purchase ready. I think that's alright. That's fine. NPC waiting for dialogue. Alright. Only Twitch? What's only Twitch? Check holding, discuss. I don't need to worry about any of that. Player. Not player. Bobble. Bobble held. Bobble repair. Okay. I think that's all good. I think we're all good with that. Do I need to set up anything in the UI? I don't think so. I don't think I need to do anything in the UI. I do wonder what type of what type of performance impact this will have. I do wonder what kind of performance impact this this extra logging will have. In theory, it shouldn't have that much because it's literally just so we're already just doing this. Whenever we call log info, that's all it does. And it's not writing it to disk every time. It's only flushing it every 2 seconds. So it's not going to back up a lot. It's not going to back up a lot, but it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. All right. Actually, let's also go in here. Do that. That should stop it from jumping all over the place. Let's get those delivered. I'll also get this delivered. So I need to test the... I need to test... a few things. see if we can get this thing to crash and figure out what's causing the crash. Because that is our main problem at the moment. Last box. There we go. Okay. I'm hoping for a crash. $9.90. Ah, yes, it doesn't actually give... So if we do it that way... Interesting. Okay, so... FPOS payment didn't actually give money. That's a problem. That's not good. Okay, let's get that fixed. When did that break? Okay, purchase complete. We clear those out. Update that. It's the employee doing it. It just calls this. Huh. Okay, where's the best place to put that? Where is the best place to put that? Payment made, so cash payment made. Toggle open. So and then it goes purchase complete on the register screen. Doesn't do anything. FPOS process payment. Okay, so when this finishes, what do we need to do? So we have the amount required on FPOS. So in here, if I do... Well, let's find out where... Let's see, charge card. That's emitted from here. That just does FPOS payment complete. So if we do... I think it's the register, isn't it? What the hell is it? Cash payment made. That's where it happens for the register. Okay. That means under here, we just do the same thing as this, but instead we do charging. Um, So if we do this, we do charging. It's cash given minus change given. Let's see. I need to check the NPC, the employee finishing FPOS payment now. They're already doing it. Cool. Cool. All right. We should be good with FPOS payments now. All right. Start getting these set back up. Hope for a crash. This random crash is still really confusing to me because I haven't been able to replicate it when I want to. Like, ever since I put in the logging, I haven't been able to replicate it. In the main branch, not in the demo branch. So I'm hoping to replicate it in the demo branch. Oh, goes out of view a little bit there. Huh. Whoops. Whoops. I didn't mean for that. We have to start wearing a jumper. A beanie. Ooh, I could start wearing a beanie. That'll keep me nice and warm. There we go. Jesus Christ. Buy out the store. I'm also going to add in the random rotation stuff that we added. Alright, at least we fixed FPOS payment. That's a big one. Jesus Christ, guys. How many are you taking? Settle down. Jesus Christ. So many card packs being purchased. Golly gosh, how we doing, Howlin? Howling you doing? I don't know. I tried. It's been so long. I know. I did have like a week off. I'm currently just testing some updates. So, yeah. The hilarious model concept. Wait until I get my other models. Yeah. Once I get the other ones set up and you can choose which model I am, oh, you're gonna have a field day. Yeah. Yeah, what we up to? Gotta go work. It's 5 a.m. and I have work. Gotta go to sleep. 5 a.m. you have work. Get sleep. Get sleep. What are you doing? Being employed sucks. I can imagine. Attempting to have a consistent sleep schedule sucks. I can tell you that. Stop by soon. Do what you gotta do. You do you. I've been using that raid glitch emote as a shout out emote for raids because gosh, that is one of the coolest raids emote. I know, right? It's pretty good. Emphasis on attempt. It's been more difficult recently because I've been so tired so much. So like trying to stream in the morning and then again at night, like twice a day, every day. It's been a struggle. And then last week, things kept breaking. Like streaming lights kept breaking. My headphones kept breaking. Software updates kept breaking. And it just got to a point where I was like, nope, I'm taking a few days off. I can't do it anymore. Just can't. Are you wearing a green shirt? I'm not going to say. When I first started doing this, all I had on was a piece of green screen with a hole cut at the neck so that I could like wear it as a poncho. Did you drop a silver axe or a gold axe? I mean, I dropped a diamond axe. That's about it. I was not expecting the holographic hands. Yeah, no one ever is. Like, really, really well done. Yeah. Yeah. I need to figure out the setup, though, because... I would like to be able to move around my area a little bit. Like, at the moment, this is the most I can do. Is, like, turn around in place. That's the best I can do. He doesn't get the dot hack reference. Nope. No, I don't. Yeah, I've just been doing an update to our demo. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an update to the demo. I'm gonna deploy an update to the demo. But I'm not going to put it to the main branch. I'm going to put it to the beta branch. So anyone that has access to the beta branch and wants to give it a test and make sure things are still working, that would be fantastic. Otherwise, I'll be doing that tomorrow. But yeah. Bandai going crazy with releases lately? Really? Whoa. My ear just started ringing real loud, like. What releases have they had? That was odd. Did you see that pop up? Yeah. This website is really... This website is horrible. New Digimon, new dot hack. Really? Let's see. Oh, Nightmares 2 on the Switch 2. Tekken 8 new characters. My Hero Ultra Rumble. My Hero Ultra Rumble devlog. Or Ultra Rumble devlog. Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Tales I hear Ultra Rumble. Captain Tsubasa, no idea what that is. The Blood of Dawnwalker. Code Vein 2 patch. I'm not seeing anything about upcoming stuff. I don't know. I can't find information. My Google foo is exiting me. Let me check. I need to go over onto this screen for a little bit so that I can upload this new demo. Copy the Linux and the Windows files over. Okay. Do that. Steam partner. I gotta sign in. There we go. Signed me in. Very nice. Alright. I don't mean like this month specifically. I just mean the past couple of years they've been doing a bit more with older IPs than they used to. Ah, right. I thought you meant like 2026 they were doing like, they were like going crazy. Right. I'm with ya. With ya. Got to confirm my Steam login. They've logged me out here too. Go. Prove it. There we go. Okay. Let's say we need to do a run app build. We need to point it. To our file. Is that right? Or is it? Yeah, that's right. Wait. Cool, only a 5 megabyte update. Love it. Alright, that's pushed up. Edit the Steamworks. Builds. This one here, beta. Alright, so anyone that has access to the beta branch of the demo will now have an update. If you want access to the beta branch, you can join our Stoat server. And there's a password in there that you'll be able to grab. Then you'll be able to use that password to install some stuff. Yeah. update demo with a couple bug fixes. And extra logging system added. Oh, updated demo deployed to the beta branch. See above message for password to access beta branch. Update includes fixed card payment, what fixed card payment? Fixed running and fixed running state, and added extra logging system to track player and NPC actions that, but yeah, to track NPC player and NPC actions. If you have any issues, please let me know ASAP. All right. Done. I love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Did I already do that? Git status. Yeah, perfect. Quit to the project list. Pick up main. Alright. Alright, so we're back to textures now. I'm glad I got those things fixed. It was a bit touch and go there for a bit. Getting the FPOS fixed up. Give me 2 seconds. I need to keep myself a little bit warm. My God, I am so cold. It's getting to the time of the year where I have to wear 2 socks. You're now going to push that. I'm just going to move you back. Oh, no. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. At least it's not hot. I wish. Okay. Yeah, no. Interesting. I'm gonna go there and then I can go there. No, I can't. Now I can. That's not good. Can't do that. That's fine. That's fine. Your computer has to keep it a little warm. Nope. Nope. Honestly, I don't think this temperature is correct anymore. I'm definitely going to lose this. That's alright. I can go there now. Let's see. You go there. Now you're protecting there. You're protecting there. Then you two are both going that way. I can move you up. I've definitely lost this. Yeah. Come on. I'm being so frustrating. Damn it. Oh my god, how have you not been able to checkmate me yet? Oh fucking hell, come on. There we go, fuck's sake. He went through like 3 queens. You gotta be able to checkmate with that many queens. Like fucking hell. Okay. Let's go there. I'm gonna go there. I'm just gonna see what stupid stuff we can have happen throughout all this. There, you can take that. Oh, you're gonna do it that way. Interesting. Ah, fuck. Yep. Well, I'm screwed. Oops. There we go. Yep. There we go. Go on. There you go. Right there. Oh, come. That's checkmate. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, this is the easiest checkmate of your life. Easiest checkmate of your life. Come on. There we go. Fuck's sake. I love noticing people missing a checkmate. I do like noticing people missing a checkmate. It's easy. Yeah, push that. They're not. Okay. Let me push this up. Because nothing they do there is gonna stop it. That's probably your best move, so that way you can take that. And I do that. You could go there. Then we trade queens. No? Okay. That's no point. Oh, come on. Fine. 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 Resigning. Come on. Alright. So, what do we need to do? We've got comic textures. These four here. I'm gonna do these tomorrow. These four here will probably take us like an hour or two. Hopefully. They might take us the entire 5 hours in the morning, but we'll see. And then after that, we're going to do this next. So by the end of tomorrow, I want those done. That'll be beautiful if we can get those done by the end of tomorrow. I need to go warm up. I need to go find somewhere warm. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? Let's see. We've rated all of them so recently. We've rated everyone so recently. Monday nights are difficult to find people. Let's see. Who are we going to raid? Let's see if we can find someone new. Someone new. Someone new. No, it's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. No one is everyone on Monday. I know. I need to save my my raids for specific people for Monday nights. That's where we can go to. Someone that raids us a lot, but we never really get to raid them. Oof. All right. So, I'm pleased with how things are progressing. Hopefully in like a week or two, I'll be able to put up a new build that people will be able to, like, it'll be the full release, and that will be given to a few specific people to do like some final testing to make sure things are still good and okay and not crashing and breaking, and then release with bug fixes done before the end of June. So yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. It's crunch time. It is crunch time. All right. I will see yous in 11 hours when I've got a nice warm cup of coffee in my hands. All right. Have a good one. You get dunce.